How to repair damaged fairings. Have you ever found yourself staring at a cracked or broken motorcycle fairing and wondering how to fix it? Well, you are in the right place. Let's break down the steps to repair those damaged fairings effectively. First, you need to remove the damaged fairing from your motorcycle. This makes it easier and safer to work on. Once it is off, clean the area thoroughly with soap and water. This will remove dirt, grease, and any debris that could interfere with your repair. Next, grab a sanding tool, like a dual-action sander or a sanding block, and some 180 grit sandpaper. Sand the damaged area to remove paint around the crack or break. This helps the repair materials stick better. Now, let's talk about the different repair methods you can use. One popular option is a plastic repair kit, such as Plastifix or Plastex. These kits usually come with a liquid adhesive and a powder. When you mix them, they create a strong bond. For cracks, apply the liquid to the damaged area and sprinkle the powder over it. You can use the dropper technique for small cracks or the sprinkling technique for larger ones. If the crack is significant, consider reinforcing it with fiberglass cloth for extra strength. Once the adhesive cures, sand the area smooth and apply body filler if needed. Another method is plastic welding. This involves melting the plastic to fuse the broken parts together. You can use a soldering iron and plastic cable ties instead of metal wire. This method requires some skill, so if you are not comfortable, consider getting professional help. After welding, fill any gaps with body filler putty, sand it smooth, and repainted the area. Now, if you have broken tabs, which are the small plastic connectors that hold fairings in place, you can repair them too. You can glue or plastic weld new pieces onto the broken tab area. Some riders use specialized glue guns with dent puller kits or come up with custom fixes to strengthen the tabs. Reinforcing repaired tabs with additional plastic or fiberglass can improve their durability. Once you have completed the repairs, it is time for the finishing touches. After the repair material is fully cured and sanded smooth, apply primer and paint to match the fairing's original color. Use a spray gun with an appropriate nozzle size, typically between 1.0 millimeters and 1.8 millimeters, for an even paint application. Allow the paint to dry completely, and consider applying a clear coat for added protection and gloss. For this project, you will need some tools and materials. A rotary grinder or dual-action sander, sandpaper in various grits, plastic repair kits, body filler, and application blades are essential. Don't forget a respirator mask for safety during sanding and painting, and a spray gun for paint application. If you are dealing with large cracks, fiberglass cloth can be useful for reinforcement. For tab repairs, a glue gun and dent puller will come in handy. Remember to always wear protective gear when sanding or painting, and work in a well-ventilated area. Take your time with sanding and filling to ensure a smooth finish. Before final painting, test fit the fairing back on the motorcycle to ensure proper alignment. By following these steps and using the right materials, you can effectively repair motorcycle fairings, restoring their appearance and function without breaking the bank.